Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW 5 Series tire pressure warning light. This process is straightforward and ensures your safety on the road. First, it's absolutely essential to check and adjust all your tire pressures to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. You can usually find these details on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Once your tires are correctly inflated, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, let's move to your BMW's iDrive system. Using the iDrive controller, navigate to the main menu and select My Vehicle or the car icon. From there, you'll want to find and choose Vehicle Status. Within the Vehicle Status menu, scroll down until you see the Tire Pressure Monitor option. Select this to proceed to the next step, where you'll initiate the reset. Once you are in the Tire Pressure Monitor section, you will see an option to perform Reset or Reset Tire Pressure. Select this option using your iDrive controller. The system will then prompt you to confirm your selection. Go ahead and confirm to begin the calibration process. It's important that your vehicle remains stationary during this initial step of the reset. To finalize the reset, you need to drive your BMW. The system requires you to drive at a consistent speed of at least 20 miles per hour for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. During this drive, the tire pressure monitoring system will automatically recalibrate itself. Once successfully completed, your iDrive screen will typically display a Reset Successful message, and the warning light will turn off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.